Icera ria minista wa urimi na NGIRICA guku bururi-ini MITHIKA LINTURI kaunti-ini ya LAIKIPIA rirarongoreirie gwetha unyiti mbaru kuma kuri arĩithia ng'ombe cia nyama niguo kuhunia thoko ya nyama iria ithiĩte na mbere na kwandanduka. Akiaria na andĩki a mohoro thutha wa kuonanĩra njũng'wa na arĩithia ya MITHIKA augĩte thoko ya kĩmabũrũri ya nyama cia ng'ombe iria ciumaga guku bũrũri-inĩ nĩ nenehete biũ.
The market is demand driven, and since the market is demand driven, we want to see how we can be able to build the capacity of our farmers to be able to respond to the demands of the market.
Minister uyu augite thina munene uria uthingithitie urimi wa ng'ombe cia nyama ni arimi kwaga githomo na utaramu muiganu wa kuramata ng'ombe ici na ni mari na mubango wa gutuma ataramu kuri arĩithi aya.
What we really want to now work closely with this farm to do is see how we can be able to work with the community around here, because it's been trying to do it, see what support we can be able to give him to work together with the county government to build more capacity of the local communities here.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini no Jonathan Mweke hamwe na gavana wa Laikipia Joshua Irungu maugite ni magutigerera ni kwagia unyitaniri mwega wa kugacirithia ũrĩithia uyu kaunti-ini iria ũrĩithia uyu ukoretwo unyitithĩtio na njĩra nene niguo gukinyaniria thoko njega ya nyama ici.
Our farmers who keep livestock, the livestock keepers, really to keep their livestock as a business so that they can create wealth, they can take their children to school, they can improve their livelihoods and not just keep livestock as a hobby.
Atongoria aya ni mahithuritie ati mari na mubango wa guciarithania ng'ombe ici niguo kuhura njeki arĩithia nini hamwe na kuhurana na mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩgũmagira ng'ombe ici na marĩhi ma ngarama ya thĩ niguo kunyitirira arĩithia aya.
Livestock is properly kept if all the requirements or the safety measures are put in place and the necessary support is given to control disease.
Kugeria ku establish a national program iregi control diseases nigetha arimi aitu matige gukorogwo ni mararuci ng'ombe ciao.
Thirikari IRANIIRE gutabarira mibango miego na makiria ya gutigirira ũrĩithia wa ng'ombe cia nyama ni wakorwo kigacira guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma guku Olpajeta thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Laikipia, ni njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa wĩra.